chest. Both of us tired from troubles that never rest. But girl, in this quiet, I hear a promise so kind. Every tear that's falling, water and joy we soon find. Every cloud got love inside, even when the sky feel heavy tonight. Hold my hand, we'll see it right. Out of this shadow come a sweeter light. Every cloud got love inside, baby. We gon' praise through the hardest time. Grace gon' turn this pain to pride. Every cloud got love inside.
You lost your paycheck, I lost a piece of my faith. We feel so empty, like we just running in place. But deep in this darkness, I hear your heartbeat in mine. God in the middle, turning this valley to climb.
So when the storms start talking, I answer back with a song.
I know the one who holds us, he never leave us alone. No, no.
Every cloud got love inside, even when the sky feel heavy tonight. Hold my hand, we'll see it right. Out of this shadow come a sweeter light. Every cloud got love inside, baby. We gon' praise through the hardest time. Grace gon' turn this pain to pride. Every cloud got love inside. Every cloud got love inside. Oh, yeah.
If the night feel long, love.
Morning still going around.
If the heart feel broke, love.
Healing go soon come alive.
When the rain keep falling, we lifting both hands high.
'Cause even in the worst of times, God sow a blessing inside. Every cloud got love inside, even when the sky feel heavy tonight. Hold my hand, we'll see it right. Out of this shadow come a sweeter light. Every cloud got love inside, baby. We gon' dance through the hardest time. Mercy turn this pain to pride. Every